Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your Ford F-150 last 300,000 miles. Not with magic, not with mods, but with real maintenance habits that actually work. This applies whether you drive an older F-150 or a brand new one. If you want your truck to still be running strong years from now, you need to hear this. Understanding the F-150. Why 300,000 miles is possible. Let's start with the truth. The Ford F-150 is one of the most proven trucks ever built. Millions of them are on the road, and there are countless examples of F-150s hitting 300,000 miles and beyond. But here's the key thing most people don't understand. Mileage doesn't kill trucks. Neglect does. Your F-150's engine, transmission, frame, and drivetrain are all engineered to last if you treat them correctly. The biggest enemy of long life is skipped maintenance, cheap parts, bad driving habits, ignoring warning signs. If you avoid those, 300,000 miles is realistic. Engine oil, the #1 life or death factor. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. Dirty oil kills engines faster than anything else. Oil change intervals. Realistic, not marketing. Forget what the dashboard reminder says. If you want 300,000 miles, follow this instead. Gas engines, oil change every 5,000 miles. Turbo EcoBoost every 4,000 to 5,000 miles. Heavy towing or city driving every 3,500 to 4,000 miles. Why? Because short trips, idling, towing, and stop-and-go traffic all contaminate oil faster. Oil quality matters. Use full synthetic oil. Correct viscosity, don't guess, high-quality oil filters, Motorcraft, Wix, Mobil 1, etc. Cheap oil plus cheap filter equals engine sludge. Engine sludge equals engine death. Transmission care. How most F-150s die early. Engines usually don't kill F-150s. Transmissions do. The biggest myth is lifetime transmission fluid. There is no such thing. Transmission service schedule. If you want your transmission to survive, fluid change every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. Filter change when applicable. Earlier if you tow or haul heavy loads. Never wait until slipping, hard shifts, delayed engagement, or transmission running hot. Fixing fluid early costs hundreds. Ignoring it costs thousands. Cooling system, preventing engine death. Overheating kills engines permanently. Once an engine overheats badly, head gaskets weaken, cylinder heads warp, bearings lose protection. Cooling system maintenance. To reach 300,000 miles, coolant flush every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. Replace thermostat preventatively. Inspect hoses yearly. Keep radiator clean. Common owner mistake. Many owners just top off coolant and never flush it. Old coolant becomes acidic, which eats radiators, water pumps, heater cores. A $150 flush can save a $6,000 engine. Air and fuel system. Small parts, big consequences. Your engine is basically an air pump. Dirty air or fuel equals poor combustion, equals engine wear. Air filter. Inspect every oil change. Replace every 15,000 to 20,000 miles. More often in dusty areas. Fuel system maintenance. Use quality fuel. Replace fuel filter if serviceable. Run fuel system cleaner occasionally. Don't overdo it. A clogged fuel system stresses injectors, fuel pump, valves. Spark plugs and ignition. Don't wait too long. Worn spark plugs don't just cause misfires, they increase fuel consumption, stress ignition coils, damage catalytic converters. Spark plug interval. Replace every 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Earlier for turbo engines. And here's the important part. Replace all plugs at once, not one by one. Timing components and know your engine. Some F-150 engines use timing chains, variable valve timing systems. These systems rely heavily on clean oil. Dirty oil equals timing chain stretch equals expensive repairs. This is why oil changes are non-negotiable if you want 300K miles. Differentials and transfer case. Most owners forget this. This is where many trucks fail silently. Service intervals on differential fluid every 50,000 miles. Transfer case fluid every 40 to 60,000 miles. Dirty gear oil destroys bearings, gears, axles. These failures are expensive but completely preventable. Frame and rust, the truck killer nobody talks about. Your engine might be perfect, but rust can kill the truck. Rust prevention tips. Wash undercarriage regularly, especially after winter driving. Treat frame with rust inhibitor if possible. Once rust starts spreading, repairs are limited and costly. Driving habits that extend engine life. How you drive matters more than you think. What kills F-150s faster? Flooring it on cold starts, towing in overdrive, ignoring warm-up time, redlining constantly. Good habits. Let engine warm up. Drive smoothly. Downshift when towing. Don't overload beyond rating. Engines last longer when stress is controlled. Towing smart leads to longer life. Towing doesn't kill trucks. Bad towing does. Smart towing rules. Use tow haul mode. Watch transmission temperature. Service fluids more often. Don't exceed payload ratings. A properly towed F-150 can last just as long as a daily driver. Mods that shorten engine life. Not all mods are bad, but some are. Risky mods. Cheap tuners. Poorly installed lift kits. Oversized tires without re-gearing. Low-quality aftermarket parts. These add stress the truck wasn't designed for. When to fix versus when to drive. Fix small problems early. A $50 sensor, a $100 hose, a $200 bearing can prevent a $5,000 repair later. Realistic expectation, what 300,000 miles really means. At 300,000 miles, your truck won't be perfect, but it can still be reliable and worth keeping. Longevity doesn't mean zero repairs. It means no catastrophic failures. A Ford F-150 doesn't reach 300,000 miles by accident. It happens because maintenance is consistent, problems are fixed early, driving habits are smart. If you treat your F-150 like a disposable truck, it will die early. If you treat it like a long-term machine, it will reward you with years of reliable service. How many miles does your F-150 have right now? What engine are you running? Drop it in the comments. Let's see which trucks are still going strong. If this guide helped you, subscribe, hit like, and share it with another F-150 owner.